In this video, I like to show you how I fixed crack in garage. This can be done on driveways or patios, but here is a crack that is not too big but still need to be filled in. And I clean it with a brush and vacuum it with shop vac. And I'm going to use the crack filler by DAP. It's water activated, and I have here a bottle of sprayer bottle of the water, so I'm gonna fill it in and go all the way to the end and then spray with the water. Sometimes gets stuck, we need to shake it up a little bit and fill it in. Then I will use the brush, spread it around and make sure that all is filled in with the dry sand, and then apply water to not have too much of sand all the way around. Now I'm done with the line all the way across to the wall, and I'm going to use the bottle sprayer just to make it moist, not to have a runoff water, just to make it, like I said, moist without water running, try not to wash it off, and go all the way around and make sure that I cover everything. Here everything is wet. Where I hit bigger cracks, I sprayed a little bit more and absorb all water in all sand and make it hard after it's water activated. And now it's done. If I have any small imperfections, I can come on that back later. Now it's ready to paint or seal, whatever we want to do. I don't have any plans anytime soon, but I just wanted to cover this crack, and I hope it will work. I heard good word about this, and I'll see how it works and maybe give some comments on it. Previously, a few weeks ago, I did this here as test, and it's really strong. With bigger crack like this, and I'm gonna come back on this and finish, but here I just wanted to test, and it really works well, so hopefully it's good. Thank you for watching.